Alright guys, how's it going? Quick pocket dump. We've got a Victorinox here. This is the Hunter Airlocks aluminum handles. Best pocket clip on the market. I love this pocket clip. Nice curve to it, works really well. It's a lock back, single-handed operation. Yeah, really cool knife, 4-inch blade. I like this one a lot. Victorinox make awesome knives, great quality. So we got that one, and we've got the from Outdoor Edge, we've got the 5-inch fillet and boning knife. I use this thing all the time. I do a lot of camping. I'm camping today, and this thing gets used all the time, making sandwiches, opening packets, whatever. So I've been carrying this one for quite a while now. Since I've got it, I've carried it every day, well over a month. Lock back. Great knife, I love it. And I've got a little button lock blade here. Really good, Work Pro, awesome value. I think about 15 bucks for 3, great value. And I've got the serrated blade in this one. We got that. And we got a little Rough Rider curb, another little lock back. And this one's a copper swirl. Great little knife, 5th pocket carry. Such a small knife, in my XL hands, great little knife. Really, this bit here gives you great purchase on it. Really nice knife, not to be underestimated. It's a proper little working knife, this thing. And also I've got the Gerber clutch multi-tool that I carry. Nice little multi-tool. Yeah, I got it mainly for the pliers, but it's got the usual other tools in, you know. It's got a little blade and whatnot, but I carry a little file, little nail file. Dang. Flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. That's what's on that side. This side we've got a little blade and smaller, tweezers, little tweezers there. And a little flathead screwdriver, a little mini one. Nice little deal, that handy. And we got the Coast flashlight, AAA battery. Love these flashlights. That's what I'm carrying, guys. Let me know in the comments what you're carrying, and we'll catch you later. Have a great day, have a great week.